Hello guys, welcome to Civil Concept, and in this video I will show you the top 25 question and answer of concrete technology which are very important for interview and basic knowledge for civil engineer. Okay, so our first question is, what is concrete? Okay, so concrete is a composite material composed of cement, water, fine aggregate such as sand, and coarse aggregate such as gravel or crushed stone is known as concrete. Okay, so you can see here in this picture the concrete is a mixture of what? Cement, sand and aggregate generally, and sometimes we can use admixture. Okay, now question number 2 is, what are the main ingredients of concrete? Okay, so we have already discussed that the main ingredients of concrete are cement, water, aggregate and sometimes admixture or additives. Okay, so you can see in this picture cement, sand and aggregate are the main component of the concrete. Okay, so this was a very simple question. Now, what is the function of cement in concrete? Okay, so cement act as binding agent in concrete. It react with water to form a paste that harden and binds the aggregate together. Okay, now question number 4 is, what name any 3 different types of cement used in concrete? So the common types of cement used in concrete includes Portland cement, blended cement and sulfate resistant cement or high alumina cement. Okay, so sometimes in the interview you can be asked that name any 3 types of cement which are used for construction. Okay, so you can say that Portland cement, pozzolana cement, okay, sulfate resistant cement, high alumina cement, etc. Okay, now what are the properties of fresh concrete? So the fresh concrete should have properties such as workability, consistency and good flowability to ensure it can be proper placed and compacted. Okay, now question number 6 is, what is the water cement ratio in concrete? So the water cement ratio is the ratio of weight of water to the weight of cement used in concrete mix. Okay, so we have to remember that this is the weight of water to the weight of cement. Okay, so it affects the strength and durability of the concrete. Now question number 7 is, what is the role of aggregate in concrete? So aggregate provide strength and bulk to concrete. They occupy a significant volume and act as a filler material between cement particle. Okay, so it act as a filler materials between the cement particle. Okay, now question number 8 is, what is the difference between nominal mix and design mix? In nominal mixed concrete, the proportion of ingredients are specified using standard ratio without considering their individual properties. Okay, but in design mixed concrete, the proportion are determined based on the desired strength and order requirements. Okay, so you can see in this picture for M5 grade of concrete, M7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25 grade of concrete, we have used fixed mix ratio. Okay, so you can see here 1:5:10, 1:4:8, 1:3:6, 1:2:4, 1:1.5:3, 1:1:2. Okay, so first part is cement, second part is sand and third part is our aggregate. Now question number 9 is, what is the curing of concrete? Okay, so this is very important terms. Curing is the process of maintaining moisture and temperature condition in newly placed concrete for a specific period. Okay, for a specific period means 7 days, 10 days, 14 days, etc. Okay, it helps in hydration and strength development of the concrete. Okay, now question number 10 is our, what are admixture in concrete? Okay, so admixture are added in concrete in small quantities to modify its properties. They can improve workability, reduce water content, accelerate and retard setting time, enhance strength, etc. Now question number 11 is, what is the significance of air-entraining admixture? Okay, this is the type of admixture which can apply air between the concrete. Okay, so what is the benefit of this? Air-entraining admixture are used to introduce microscopic air bubbles into concrete. Okay, so these bubbles improve the resistance of concrete to freeze thaw cycle, increase workability. Okay, so main function is to increase the workability. Now question number 12 is, how is the compressive strength of concrete determined? Compressive strength of concrete is determined by testing cylindrical concrete specimen in the compressive test machine. The maximum load the specimen can bear before failure is its compressive strength. Okay. Now question number 13 is what is the role of curing in achieving the desired strength of concrete? Curing provides the most and favorable environment for the hydration process, allowing the concrete to gain strength over time. Proper curing is essential to achieve the desired strength. Okay. Now question number 14 is what are the factors that affect the workability of concrete? So the factor affecting workability of concrete includes water content, aggregate shapes and size, admixture, temperature, and use of any additives or super plasticizer. Okay. Now question number 15 is what is the significance of slump test? The slump test is used to measure the workability or consistency of the fresh concrete. It indicates the flow and cohesiveness of the concrete mix. Okay. Now question number 16 is what are the different method of concrete mix proportioning? The different method of includes the empirical method, arbitrary method, and the more precise method such as the ACI method or British DOE method. Question number 17 is what is the significance of water cement ratio in concrete? Okay, so the water cement ratio affects the strength, durability, and workability of concrete. An appropriate water cement ratio is necessary to achieve the desired concrete properties. Now question number 18 is how can the setting time of concrete be controlled? The setting time of concrete can be controlled by using retarding admixture, lowering the temperature, or adjusting the proportion of cementitious material. Okay. Now question number 19 is what is the difference between shrinkage and creep of concrete? This is very important terms. Shrinkage refers to the reduction in volume of concrete due to moisture loss, while the creep refers to the gradual deformation of concrete under sustained load over the time. Okay. So when we put load on the concrete for long period of time, then it will be bended like this. Okay, so somewhat bended like this. So this term is known as what? Creep. Okay. Now question number 20 is what is the role of aggregate in controlling the drying shrinkage of concrete? So aggregate provide internal resistance to the drying shrinkage of the concrete, reducing the all over shrinkage and preventing cracks. Okay. Now question number 21 is what is the purpose of using fiber in concrete? Okay, so this is the new term, and generally fibers are using newly in the concrete. Okay, so fiber are added to concrete to enhance the toughness, improve crack resistance, and provide better impact resistance. Okay. Now question number 22 is how can the durability of concrete be improved? So the durability of concrete can be improved by using appropriate mix design, incorporating suitable admixture, providing proper curing, and ensuring good construction practice. Okay. Now question number 23 is what are the common tests conducted on the hardened concrete? So common test on the hardened concrete includes compressive strength, tensile strength, and chloride ion permeability testing and shrinkage testing. Okay. Now question number 24 is what is the role of pozzolanic material in concrete? Pozzolanic materials such as fly ash or silica fume react with calcium hydroxide in a presence of moisture to perform additional cementitious compound. Okay, and it improves the strength and durability of the concrete. Now question number 25 and last question is what are the environmental benefits of using recycled aggregate in concrete? Okay, so using recycled aggregate reduce the demand for fresh aggregate, conserves natural resources, reduce landfill waste, and helps in sustainable construction materials. Okay guys, so this much for today. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for new update about civil engineering. Thank you.